In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or stop the blinking cursor effect on your macOS device. If you'd rather have a static blinking cursor or just a static cursor instead of it blinking, of course, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the top left corner of the menu bar, and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side underneath Vision, select where it says Motion, and where it says Prefer Non-Blinking Cursor, click inside that oval to toggle it to the right to enable it, and that's all you have to do. So, pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.